Alright, YouTube, little update with this kit, some problems I'm running into. 3802 is going to be the hardware kit for the tubular front control arms. I wanted to put all new hardware in with the arms, of course, you know, as anybody would. So everything worked out alright with that, except for when you come to this bolt. Now, they tell you to knock out this bushing inside of here, and they provide you with the bushing to fit this bolt, which it does. Fits fine with that. My issue now is this bolt will not, get you guys set up here, fit through my frame at all. So both sides, no way. And I'm not drilling my frame. They should send the appropriate hardware. Another issue that I ran into with this kit here is in their instructions. They explain how to install the spring. So they are, of course, wanting you to index the coil here down in there. Got it, that's fine. Now the problem is when you go to roll or jack this control arm up, get the spring to seat it, that spring every time is going to slip out. And why it's going to slip out is because, unlike the stocks, there's a cup to hold the spring. So you're going to need a spring compressor tool. I didn't think I was going to, because I put these springs in a long time ago before I decided to do this upgrade. But yeah, that's an issue every time. Slipped out. Even with the spring compressing tool, that spring still slipped out. So there's just nothing to hold it. I don't understand how to, you know, go from something like that to something like that, just completely flat. So that's just a couple things. The bolt and the fact that they say that you don't need the tool to install this. In fact, I did. I don't know if that's the case, but till then, we'll keep banging it out.